excuse the jingling. It's my dog. All right. I went ahead and took out the regular box so that I didn't have to worry about covering my address. Yay! Oh, it's so sleek and pretty. The one last year was like white and blue and yellow. So this is a very more elegant look, if you will. I have so much trouble though, like not saving the boxes. I'm pretty sure I still have the cardboard box part from mine last year because it's just like, oh, it's kind of been there some, but it's just like such nice packaging. I just ripped it, so maybe I won't keep it. Yay, I'm so excited. I'm really excited to watch it. I haven't, I've seen like a couple of clips, but I haven't like, oh, that's so nice. But yeah, I've seen a couple of clips, but I haven't like really watched it. Oh, dude. I've said it once and I'll say it again. I literally never feel like I'm wasting money on BTS products. Like this stuff always, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so nice looking. The one last year came like in like a little zip up container thing, and I actually used that container for my colored pencils. Dude, this is so, oh my god. I want to display it like head on. It's so pretty. Oh, and it's like heavy. Like this is like nice plastic. It's got this little like holographic thing there. Oh. I just like don't want to, no, I don't want to tear it. It's so nice. Oh! Dude, what's this? What is it? Is it a fan? Oh my gosh. It's a fan. Oh my god, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out of this box and then go from there. Is that, whose is this? Hobie's! Oh, okay. And this must be the book. Pull it out by the paper. Should I? Yeah, I'll take the paper out. It's really pretty though. I'm sad that it couldn't really be salvaged that much. This container is freaking nice. Like, what am I gonna do with this? It's so nice. I'm gonna have to keep it in this because it's so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get some of this out of the way. All right. So yeah, it came in this cardboard box and then it came in this plastic container that is like so nice. Okay, and then it came with this, which is a fan. I'm gonna open it in a minute. The diary, which I got Hobie. Last year I got Tay, and I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna find out. And then here's the DVD, which I'm probably gonna watch tonight. And these looks like posters. And then the photo book. So, all right, I really want to look at this fan. I'm really intrigued by this. I mean, I did see like what was coming in it, but like I guess I don't really remember now because I pre-ordered it like a really long time ago. Okay. Oh, it says BTS on the side. How do you open a fan? I'm stupid. Oh. Oh. No. It like slides this way, right? Oh. Oh! How pretty is that? It's like navy blue and it says BTS summer package in Korea, and it's got their logo, and it's like shiny. Can you loosen this? That's so cool. Oh, I don't want to break it. I'm scared. That's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm scared to mess it up. I'm so stupid. Oh, that is so cool. I'm gonna have to display that somewhere. That's freaking awesome. Okay, and just the packaging is nice. Like, oh, this stuff, man. It's so good. Like I said, I mean that. Like, I never feel like I waste money. I mean, I'm sure that other people think that I waste money, but like, I never personally feel like, oh, I paid like $60 for this and it's like crap. Like, it's always super good quality and like good stuff. All right, what is in here? Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, look. Here's Namjoon, Yoongi and Jin, Hobie and Jimin, and Tae and Jungkook. Oh, those are my two biases, in case you didn't know. Oh, this is nice. Oh, so is this like a little artwork that they did on the back? I wonder if this is like, because it's all similar, so it must have something to do with like Korean artwork or something. I'll have to watch the DVD because I bet they explain it in there. That's so cute. Oh, whose is that? Jimin. You can tell. I saw this already because my friend sent it to me. You can tell which one is Jungkook's because it's like so extra. Like, I'm an artist. Oh. Okay, that's neat. I'm gonna have to, dude, I'm running out of room to display things. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's the DVD. It's all like very like elegant, the theme this year. Like last year's, I mean, obviously it wasn't like tacky, but it was like, you know, like fun, like summer, you know, in the pool and like stuff like that. And this one is very like, we are grown and we're going on an adult vacation. Here's the diary. And I have Hobie's diary. Aww. Oh, it has the translations in it. That's nice. The one last year did not. So I read it, but I didn't really know what it was saying. That's so cool. A true artist. Cute. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, does it say something about that? No. I'll have to watch the DVD. Is it oh, is it like a kite? I think it might be like a kite. Oh, so cool. He's so cute. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna hang these up because they're like small, so I can hang them like along the like upper part of my wall because that's the only place that I have room for posters, and I have the ones from last year up there, and I'm just gonna like keep bringing them like all the way around my bedroom because I mean, why the heck not? I could put them in my photo book, or I mean my photo card book, but I kind of want to display them. Oh, I thought this was just a picture of a tree. It must be like a big poster. Oh, it's so nice. I know I keep saying that, but it really is. It's like so nice. Ooh, yeah. I have nowhere to put this. Oh, maybe I'll replace it, my Love Yourself poster on my door because it's kind of ripped. And this is like, it's like sturdier paper. Like feels good. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. I actually used to have a shirt kind of like that. I love this picture. I love this picture of him. It's so cute. And these are, they have this on the back and their name. So the front is like glossy and the back is like this matte. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, these are so like high res. It's like, it's intense. Oh, he's so pretty. Aw, cutie. Oh. Yes, these are so nice. Can't wait to hang those up. All right, now the main event. These, okay. I know that some people don't get the point of photo books, but like they're so fun to flip through. I actually really need to buy the exhibition book because I really want it. But I love my summer package photo book from last year. The pictures are so pretty and so nice. Let's move some stuff out of the way a little bit here. Compile some things. And just move these. All right. Oh. I don't want to like open it too wide because I don't want to mess up the pages. Cute. Cute. He is so cute. Okay. I'm not going to show all of this on camera because I don't want to get like sued or something. So I'm just going to open to some random pages. Oh, what a good pick. Cute. He's so pretty. I love him so much. Ah, he's so cute. Oh. Kino from Pentagon has this shirt. So, Army Versus, where you at? What a dork. Aww. What are those? Okay. Again, I'm like skipping pages, so I'm not gonna show the whole book on camera. Don't want to get sued by a big hit. Ooh, he looks nice there. The scenery is so pretty. It makes me want to visit Korea. Oh, we are regal. We are elegant. Look at that. Those are so pretty. Ooh, it's like a glamour shot. Oh, yes. Everybody lost their mind over this picture when it was revealed first. Okay. Oh, I think this is the picture that was on my poster. Oh, we got some Tucson pictures. Oh yes, I saw this one. I think Big Hit posted this one. Pretty. Okay. I wonder why this page is blank. Must be like how they could fit the pictures in. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. We're just gonna shut the door. Okay. Cute. What are they making? I can't wait to watch the DVD. Okay, Nash, I know. He is so cute. Ah, they're so cute. Yay. so sorry. Please ignore him. Yay! Okay, this is, it's so heavy. So nice. I can't wait to look through the rest of that. So, okay, just a rundown. I'll wait. You know what? I'll wait till he stops. And then it came with the photo book. And we'll just keep filming like this. It's fine. Then it came with the individual posters and the big poster that I thought was just a picture of a tree originally. And then it came with the diary, and I got Hobie's diary, the DVD, this little thingy with their pictures and their artwork, which I now think might be kites. I don't know. I'm gonna watch it. I'll find out. And this fan and this cute little package that I'm also gonna save because, you know, I can't help myself. And it all goes in there, and you can close it up. Maybe. So yeah, that's the summer package of 2019 for BTS. I can't wait to look through the photo book more and watch the DVD. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more unboxings like this or more K-pop related content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.